You won't believe it, but phrasal verbs have idiom counterparts. If you are interested, subscribe to enrich your vocabulary daily. Are you ready? Here are 20 phrasal verbs and their idiomatic English equivalents. Kick off. This phrasal verb means to start something, like a meeting or an event. The idiomatic equivalent would be get the ball rolling. Look into. It means to investigate or research something. The idiomatic equivalent could be dig deeper. Come across. This means to find something or someone by chance. The idiomatic equivalent is stumble upon. Run into. Similar to come across, it means to meet someone unexpectedly. Idiomatically, you might say bump into. Put off. This means to delay doing something. The idiomatic equivalent would be drag one's feet. Hang on. This phrasal verb means to wait for a short time. An equivalent idiom is hold your horses. Call off. It means to cancel something. The idiomatic expression that matches this is pull the plug. Bring up. This means to mention a topic. Idiomatically, you could say throw into the conversation. Go over. It means to review something. The idiomatic equivalent could be comb through. Turn down. This means to reject an offer or request. An idiomatic way to express this would be give the thumbs down. Break down. This means to stop functioning due to a malfunction. The idiomatic equivalent is go kaput. Fill in. It means to provide information where it's needed, like on a form or a document. The idiom that has a similar meaning is pencil in. Give up. This is when you stop trying to do something. The equivalent idiom could be throw in the towel. Hold on. Means to wait a moment. An idiomatic equivalent is sit tight. Make up. It can mean to reconcile after an argument or to invent something, like a story. The idiomatic equivalent for reconciling could be bury the hatchet, and for inventing a story, it could be spin a yarn. Pick out. Means to choose something from a group. Idiomatically, you might say handpick. Set up. It can mean to arrange or establish something. An idiomatic expression with a similar meaning is lay the groundwork. Take off. This means to leave quickly or for an airplane to ascend into the sky. Idiomatically, you could say hit the road for leaving quickly and get off the ground for a successful start. Warm up. This is to prepare for a physical activity or event by doing gentle exercises or practices. The idiomatic equivalent is get into gear. Work out. It means to exercise, but it can also mean to resolve a problem. The idiomatic equivalents would be pump iron for exercising and iron out for resolving problems. By just watching this video once, you might remember 3 or 4 phrasal verbs or idioms. But here's a tip for you to achieve English fluency. Grab a pen and paper, write down at least 5 to 10 phrasal verbs or idioms, then search example sentences on Google. The purpose of the activity is for you to understand how they are used in sentences. And reach English fluency fast, click the link below and start the free 5-day guide to English fluency. Start today, subscribe, and see you again.